Next topic is file operations. First operation is create a folder. How you can create a folder? First of all, click on desktop or my computer and open the drive or folder where you want to create a new folder. Suppose if you want to create a folder on a desktop, just right click on it and click on new. Okay, then pop up dialog box, okay, pop up menu appears on the screen, this one, and you have to select now folder selected. Now look at the screen here, folder created on the desktop, and by default the folder name given there new folder 3 because already 2 folders created on the screen, that's why new folder 3. And you can change the name also according to your choice. Just press backspace and give the name, okay, any name what you want to give, like now program given here. And now click on the blank space on the desktop, clear folder created on the desktop, and you can easily drag and move from the one location to another on the desktop. Just select the folder and hold the folder and then drag this. Next operation is rename files and folders. Second operation, how you can rename the files and folders. Single click on the folder name, okay, by single clicking here name selected of the new folder, and now press backspace and what you want to give, write your name of the program, okay, like I written here ABC now. So now just click on the blank space, so folder name renamed. You can easily change the name of the folder and files also, just single click on this. And how you can copy the folder into a drive or on another location. Suppose you want to create folder on desktop also and in drive also, then right click on this and select copy, and then open the location where you want to save. In directories I will save this folder in a E drive, okay. Now open the E drive and right click on any blank area and then choose paste, okay. Now look at the screen here, at last ABC folder pasted, or you can say that created. As this way you can easily copy the folder and move on the another location. And if you want to just want to cut from here, just want to cut the folder from here and want to paste a folder in a directory, so right click on this and click on cut, and then open the location where you want to move the folder, clear. This is the third operation. Now next operations is how you can delete the folder. If you want to delete folder, right click on the folder, pop up menu appears on the screen, and then press on delete, okay, folder deleted. Now check in recycle bin, folder is there, and you can restore also. If by mistake deleted, then you can restore also. And if you want to delete permanently, then click on delete, then folder permanently deleted, and you can't restore again. So these are the operations of files, how you can create a folder, how you can rename the folders and files, and how you can copy the folder into another location or move the folder into another location, and how you can delete the folder.